My second cookbook, Eat Happy 2, has so many dairy-free recipes in it. Dairy-free recipes in Eat Happy 2, Part 1, the starter edition. Instant pot pork rillettes. Oh my God, that should be a main. It's delicious. You can serve them with rosemary thyme pita chips, also dairy-free. Tori's Hillbilly Ceviche. The only reason I call it Hillbilly is because we're not doing anything special with it. We're taking pre-cooked shrimp and we're putting delicious citrus in there. You can also serve that with rosemary thyme pita chips. Buffalo hot wings with dairy-free ranch dressing. Now I did something special. I created dairy-free ranch dressing and dairy-free Caesar dressing. I'm going to talk about those in another video. Steamed mussels, just don't serve them with the dipping butter sauce. The steamed mussels are good enough in that delicious sauce that they cook in on their own. Grill finished artichokes with lemon, garlic, dill aioli. Need I say more? And artichokes are about to be in season. Baba ganoush. Okay. Baba ganoush is a roasted eggplant spread that is so good. In the recipe, it calls for a tablespoon of Greek yogurt just to add extra creaminess. You don't have to use that, or you can use a tablespoon of coconut cream, full-fat coconut cream. Rosemary pecans, which are amazingly flavorful, or you can roast any kind of nut with any of the Eat Happy Kitchen spices. Sausage stuffed deep fried olives, dairy-free goodness, all the savory things. You got the sausage, you got the olives, you got a little almond flour coating, or you can do the pork rind coating. It's so good. And finally, the sleeper hit dairy-free appetizer in Eat Happy 2 is the mushroom and walnut pate. Don't fall asleep on that one. That one's a really good one. You guys are gonna love it. So I'll be back to you with some more recipes.